14-year-old Wilmarian Shea Martin, who discovered fencing by chance just over a year ago, is aiming to shock more seasoned campaigners when he starts competition at the Pan Am Junior Championships in Cali, Colombia in the foil category this Friday.
Shea Martin, who switched from field hockey to fencing 14 months ago when the COVID-19 pandemic struck, in a bid to relieve the monotony of online classes, has now found his passion.
We ended up discovering fencing, and fencing could go on during COVID. So that's how I kind of started getting into it, and I enjoyed it. I think it's probably the most fun sport I've ever tried.
Martin notes that the chance to represent Jamaica may not come around again, so he's aiming to be competitive in the national colours.
Just take it one match at a time. You win, you lose, it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, what's most important is capitalizing on the experience and learning from every match so that I can constantly improve.
Martin's coach, Kurt Schmick, says the teenager has shown improvements since returning from a training stint at the High Performance Center in Guadeloupe.
His point control for me has improved quite a bit. He still has a ways to go with that. In terms of his movement, he's a little bit more fluid now in terms of how he's going up and down the piste. And he's a lot more controlled with his legs.
Schmick expects Martin to put up a good fight against more seasoned campaigners.
So for me, it's more about his experience. I'd hope for him to win a few matches there. In terms of, from a developmental standpoint, I know he's going to grow from the experience, given that he's going to be facing a wider array of competitors there.
Martin will be joined by Mia Bradford and Demario Steele as Jamaica's representatives in the sport at the Games. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.